Microsoft has published security update for 10-year-old vulnerability. Many people get confused why Microsoft did that. Is that vulnerability not fixed 10 years ago, or was that partial fix? Don't be surprised if panicked. Main reason for publishing this vulnerability is recently a VoIP communications company 3CX was compromised to distribute Trojanized versions of its Windows desktop application in a large-scale supply chain attack. Attacker used the CVE 2013-3900 vulnerability in malicious DLL. When Microsoft fixed this issue 10 years ago, fix was an opt-in option, i.e. user has to perform some action to enable this fix. Microsoft republishing CVE 2013-3900 in the Security Update Guide to update the Security Updates table and to inform customers that the Enable Cert Padding check is available in all currently supported versions of Windows 10 and Windows 11. While the format is different from the original CVE published in 2013, the information herein remains unchanged from the original text published on December 10, 2013. Microsoft does not plan to enforce the stricter verification behavior as a default functionality on supported releases of Microsoft Windows. Exploitation of this vulnerability requires that a user or application run or install a specially crafted, signed PE file. An attacker could modify an existing signed file to include malicious code without invalidating the signature. This code would execute in the context of the privilege in which the signed PE file was launched. To enable the functionality, perform the following steps. For 32-bit versions of Microsoft Windows, paste this text in a text editor such as Notepad. Then, save the file by using the .reg file name extension, for example, enable authenticode verification.reg. For 64-bit versions of Microsoft Windows, paste this text in a text editor such as Notepad. Then, save the file by using the .reg file name extension, for example, enable authenticode verification64.reg. You can apply this .reg file to individual systems by double-clicking it. Note you must restart the system for your changes to take effect. Remember that enabling the functionality change, non-conforming binaries will appear unsigned and, therefore, be rendered untrusted.